Edit the product photo so easy and nice. Stay with me. For first, I pick quick selection and press select on subject. I improve the selection. Press Ctrl or Command J to make a copy. Create a new layer. Press Alt or Option to clipping mask this layer to the bottom layer. Choose brush tool. Foreground now should be white. Change value mode of normal to overlay. We need 50% flow and draw like this. Bottom the selection, we need a new layer. We need the biggest brush and just click behind the subject. Press Ctrl Command T, change the size and position. If you need some water splash, just search water splash PNG, you can find a lot of them. Go to the adjustment layer, press Hue and Saturation, clipping mask to the bottom layer, decrease the saturation, choose this layer, press Ctrl Command T, and put this water splash in a perfect position. Make a copy for this layer, and put this layer bottom the selection. Press Ctrl Command T, right click, choose Flip Horizontal, and put in opposite side. Now you can see before and after.